Hi, I'm Rahman, going to unboxing Nike Air Force 107 LV8. Let's unbox the Nike Air Force One. I'm going to unboxing Nike Air Force One LV8. It is lace up in the Nike Air Force One LV8 for an iconic feel and a head-turning design. Pebbled leather throughout the upper and a glue in the dot Swoosh logo. Top of your kick game with an eye-catching finish. The color is white, university red, pure platinum, midnight navy. Nike Air Force 107 LV8. The OZ design lines with breathable perforation to the forefoot and a padded ankle collar. Set on a tonal midsole, these trainers are equipped with Nike encapsulated air cushioning for supreme all-day comfort. They have a grippy rubber tread and are finished with midnight navy and university red Swoosh logos to the sidewalls. Care and materials: leather and synthetic upper, synthetic sole, color white. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I upload new video. Thank you for watching.